Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna share an extremely popular Middle Eastern appetizer that's kofta kebab in Turkish style. To make this dish extra juicy, spicy, flavorful and more delicious, have made this kebab in a sizzling way. Hope you like it. Keep watching. Let's look into the ingredients. So these are the ingredients that we require. So here I have taken half kg of mutton mince, that's mutton keema. Wash, strain and squeeze out all excess water. Ensure there needs to be a little fat in keema, say around 10 to 15%. Then we require one small onion that's roughly chopped. We require fresh mint and coriander leaves. So here I have taken some fresh mint, some fresh coriander leaves and 2 green chilies. Chilies you may adjust as per your taste. Then we require a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, salt as per taste. Then we require 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. This is my homemade breadcrumbs. If you don't have these breadcrumbs, all you can do is simply take 2 slices of breads. Crumble or grind the fresh bread and add it to the mixture. Ensure to crumble the bread and then add it. Then we require 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 egg. Along with this, we require a spice mix. So this spice mix includes a tablespoon of coriander seeds and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Crush them coarsely. Once it's well crushed, then transfer it to a bowl. And to this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. This is optional. You may skip it if you don't have. Give a mix and the spice mix is ready. Now let's prepare kofta kebab. For that, into a food processor, add onions, green chilies, and then we're going to add coriander leaves and mint leaves. Give a pulse and grind it to a fine texture. You may also chop it finely if you don't have a food processor. Then to this, we're going to add the mutton mince now. So add in the mutton mince and all the other ingredients except the egg, which you would be adding at the end. For mincing the mutton, you may also use a grinder if you don't have a food processor. Do add corn flour and breadcrumbs too. My clip got deleted, so do add it. After adding all the ingredients to it, cover and give a good pulse until you get a smooth texture. In this way, all the ingredients will get well combined with the mutton mince. As you can see here. Now goes in the last ingredient, that's the egg. Add it and then mix it well with the mixture. I have also shared other kebab recipes in my channel. We'll share the link in the description box. You may have a look, or you may also check it on my channel's playlist. You can see the kebab mixture is ready now. Now we're going to transfer this to a bowl and then we're going to refrigerate it for an hour, or you may also keep it overnight if you want. A quick tip, always chill the mixture before proceeding with frying. In this way, you always get the best kebabs. It's been resting for a while in the refrigerator now. Now let's prepare the kebab. For that, we require little oil. Now let's start shaping the kebabs. For that, apply little oil onto your palms and then take a small portion. And here I'm going to give a flat circular shape. You may give any desired shape of your choice. Hope you're liking this video. Then do give a thumbs up and share among your family and friends. And for more interesting and healthy videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting notified. You can see a flat round shaped kebab is done. This is how I like to shape the kebabs. Now continue shaping the remaining kebabs. Another quick tip, you may also make and freeze these kebabs and it will stay fresh for months. Whenever you need it, just defreeze it and then make tasty, delicious kebabs. Now this is the first batch which you're going to fry. So let's move ahead in frying the kebabs. So for that, here I'm going to use my cast iron pan for frying the kebab. So once pan heats up, drizzle little oil as we're going to shallow fry them. Keep flame on low and place the kebabs gently. Now fry them until they are well cooked and turn crispy and golden brown on both the sides. Ensure to keep the flame on low so it gets well cooked. Normally, kebabs shrink a bit while frying. A good tip for getting a non-breakable perfect kebab is to ensure to remove excess moisture after cleaning meat mince. Also ensure to have 10 to 15% fat into it and blend all the ingredients well and allow mixture to rest for a while, especially in refrigerator. Then make kebabs while it's still chilled and you'll get best kofta kebabs. You may have to flip 2 to 3 times on each sides and cook the kofta kebabs well on both the sides. See how crispy and beautiful the kebab looks? It's also very flavorful and tastes awesome. It's a must try recipe, so do try and leave your comments below. Kebabs are well cooked, so transfer it to a plate. Look how tempting this looks. You may serve it as it is, however, to give an extra juicy, spicy and a crunchy taste, gonna prepare a sizzling for this. Now keep this aside and let's see the ingredients that we require for sizzling the kebabs. Now for this we require 2 onions, which we're going to cut into slices first. And then we're going to separate the rings. Then we require 1 capsicum, that's green pepper. Remove all the seeds and then thinly slice them. Then we require 1 tomato, slice it as shown. Then we require 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 lemon, a teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt as per taste. With this we also require a tablespoon of chili sauce and a tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Into the same pan we're going to prepare the sizzler now. For that, into a heated pan drizzle little oil and then add onions to it. Now saute the onions for few seconds. Remember, we just need to toss the veggies and not cook them. Only then we'll get the crunchy taste. Now to this we're going to add green pepper, that's capsicum, and saute for another few seconds. Once onions and capsicums are well sauteed, now to this we're going to add the seasonings. So first goes in the salt, then goes in the black pepper powder and the green chilies. Now mix and saute for few seconds. You may adjust the chilies and pepper according to your taste. Now to this we're going to add chili paste. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon and a tablespoon of soya sauce. Give a mix. And then it's time to add the tomatoes now. Add the tomatoes and toss all the veggies together for another few seconds. Now to this, gonna squeeze in lemon juice. And then give a good mix. Veggies are tossed well. Now to this we're going to add the kofta kebabs. Add the kebabs and stir it gently. Let it sit for a minute into the same pan and that's it. A super sizzling, extremely flavorful mutton kofta kebab is absolutely ready. This juicy tasty kebab is a great appetizer or a starter dish for all special occasions. So do try this recipe on this Eid and enjoy it with your loved ones. You may serve it with roti, naans, biryanis or pulavs. Recently shared white mutton biryani recipe. Hope you have watched it. If not, we'll share the link in the description box. You may have a look. Hope you like the sizzling appetizer recipe. If so, please hit the like button and for more interesting and healthy videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notified. Until then, eat healthy and be happy. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.